Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through removing that strange yellow border that appears around your screen or specific windows in Windows 11. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. First, we need to address the most common cause, the snipping tool. Sometimes Windows gets stuck thinking it's still taking a screenshot, leaving the yellow border frozen on your screen. Go ahead and right-click on your Windows Start button and select Task Manager from the list. In the Processes tab, scroll down and look for Snipping Tool. Even if you aren't using it right now, it might be running in the background. Right-click on Snipping Tool and select End Task. If the border instantly disappears, it was just a simple glitch and you are all done. If the border keeps coming back, or if it happens with other apps, we need to change a specific privacy setting that controls these borders. Click on your Start button and open the Settings gear icon. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list until you see Screenshot Borders. Click on that to open the detailed options. Here, you will see a toggle for Let Apps Turn Off the Screenshot Border. Make sure this is switched to On. This allows apps like OBS or Discord to automatically hide that yellow security border so you don't have to look at it. Finally, if you are a streamer or content creator using OBS Studio and you still see the border, we need to change how OBS captures your screen. Open OBS Studio and right-click on your Display Capture Source. Select Properties from the menu. Look for the option labeled Capture Method. By default, it is often set to Windows 10 1903 and up. Change this to DXGI Desktop Duplication. Click OK, and you will notice the yellow border is gone while still capturing your screen perfectly. And that's it. Your screen should now be clean and border-free. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.